When we run ACX check, randomly we may encounter the problem which is floor noise too low. However, this can be easily fixed. By the way, I'm using Audacity. What we can do is to add a new track. A mono one will do the job. Then we deactivate the original clip. Then we generate noise. Here we choose white noise, and we need to play around with the parameter setting. Let's start with 0.003 and see what happens the next. Okay, we run ACX check. No. Then we change the parameter to 0.02. Let's see what happens the next. Okay, we run ACX check again. Nope. Then we have to change the parameter again, maybe this time down to 0.001. And let's run ACX check. And yes, the next step is to mix the existing two tracks and render them to a new track. So we mix and render. Here we are. We try to activate the newly generated track and mute the other two tracks. Normally by choosing solo will work, but to be on the absolute safe side, we can also try to mute the other two tracks. Then we run ACX check only on the newly generated track to see what happens the next. Yes, it works. And it's highly recommended to save the whole project. I mean, to keep all the three tracks in case in the future you may need to modify anything.